Hey everyone, good morning. I am Priyanshu Agrawal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now we are going to see today's Leetcode daily challenge, which is find words containing character. Okay, so let's see what is this question and how we can solve it. So in this question, you are given a zero-indexed array of strings words and a character x, and you need to return an array of indices representing the words that contain the character x. Okay, note that the returned array may be in any order. Okay, so what you have been given in the question is a words array which contains its strings and a character x, and you need to return an array of indices representing the words that contain the character x. It means, let's see this example. This is your words array of strings. So first string is leet. Does it contain this character? Yes. Okay. So at which index this string is present? 0, right? So 0 is present. Okay, now code. Does it contain E? Yes. So at which index it is present? 1. So let's add 1 also in our result. So your output array will be 0, 1. It can be 1, 0 as well. So no issues in that, as you have been given that. The returned array may be in any order. Okay, let's see other test cases as well. So its index will be 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, does ABC contain A? Yes. Okay, let's add this index in our result. Does BCD contains A? No, skip. Does this string contains A? Yes, so add this index in our output. Does this string contains A? No. Okay, let's skip it. So your final output array will be 0, 2, right? Okay, now let's see this example as well. So does this string contains Z? No. Okay. Does BCD contains Z? No. This one? No. This one? No. So your final output array will be an empty array because none of the string contains that character. Okay, so this is quite simple question. This is the most easiest question with the easy tag. So what you have to do in this question is that you need to just simply iterate on this words vector, and for each string you need to check whether it contains this character or not. So how you can check whether it contains that character or not? So there are a lot of ways to do it. One is you can simply iterate on that complete string to check if that string contains this character or not. Another is that you can use the find function. Another way is that you can use the contains function. So there are a lot of ways in which you can check whether that particular string contains that character or not, and if yes, then simply add that index in the result, and by the end of this iteration simply return your result vector. Okay, so let's try code this. So first let's store the size of the words in n, and let's create an output vector result, and let's start iterating in our words vector. I is less than n, I plus plus, and if words of I contains x, then what you will do? You will simply push that index in your result and simply return result. Okay, let's try run this. Yeah, it's working fine. Let's try submitting it. Yeah, it's working fine. So let's talk about its time and space complexities as well. So as you can see, we are doing that one iteration for iterating in the words vector, let's say of size n, and then you are using that contains function to iterate on those strings, right? So let's say the string length can be up to m, so it will be n into m, and you can see in the constraints that words can be up to length 50 and string can be up to length 50. So its complexity will be 50 into 50 in worst case, right? And as we have not used any extra space other than the result vector, so its space complexity will be big of 1. So yeah, that's it for this question. This was a pretty simple question. I hope you get it, but if you still have any doubts, then you can post in the comment section. I will surely try to answer them. Till then, bye guys, see you in the next video.